Hi all, today I want to design this HTML file. For this I have used mainly CSS. In the CSS I have used polygon clip path. There are some paddings and margins, some of the shapes I have designed. Let me jump into the coding part. This is my HTML file and I am adding some of the HTML tags here. I needed a doc type HTML and HTML tag as well. Inside HTML I needed a head. Inside head I am adding meta tags and title and style tag. Here I will write all the CSS part. I needed body. Inside body I am going to add some of the div tags. Now let me add some of the CSS part. I needed styles for body. I'm going to add some of the CSS here, and for disk ID I am going to add CSS here, and for cartoon class I'm adding some styles here. Now I'm going to add some of the styles for div tag. And for phase 1 I needed some stylings here. For this I am using clip path. I used polygon. For that I am setting up some symbols. Similarly I need to do it for a shirt clear. And for shirt dark as well I'm adding clip path and polygon. Inside polygon I am setting up some of the symbol. And for shirt dark 2 I am setting up some of the symbol here. For that I used polygon only. And for lip bottom light, so this is the color I have set up, and I'm adding this polygon symbol. And for shadow air, this is the color I am going to use, and this is the symbol that I have used. Now I want to add a shadow nose. So for this I needed one background and clip path as well. And for airline, I am taking opacity 0.5 and clip path as well. And for a check light, this is the background color I have used, and the clip path I am adding. And for a check dark, this is the clip path I am adding. And for lip bottom dark, background color I am taking blue, and this is the clip path I am adding. And for lip bottom I am adding, this is the color, and I needed clip path as well for this. And for chin line, and for I1 back I am using, so this I am adding clip path, and for A1 top as well. And A1 eyelid. And for a lip top light, and for a lip top dark, and for a lip top, and for A2 top, and check 2, and for A check, and for A1 eyebrow, and for A2 lip, and for A2 eyebrow, and for A2, and for Air1, now I am going to add nose 1. For this I am using clip path and nose 2, and for airbag and for shirt and phase 2, and phase 3. Now let me go on refresh the page. This is the output we can see.